What if the farm of the future didn't need soil or rain or even sunlight? What if it could grow 10, 20, even 350 times more food on the same footprint while using 95% less water? Vertical farms are already feeding cities from Singapore to Dubai to New York. But here's the real question everyone's asking. Can these high-tech towers actually feed the entire world? Or is this just the most expensive salad you'll ever eat? Welcome back. If you're into farming, machinery, future tech, smart investments, or just those ridiculously satisfying grow videos, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into vertical farming, the controlled environment systems stacking crops high into the sky or into warehouses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they work, where the money is, what the real limitations are, and whether they can scale to feed 8, 9, even 10 billion people. This isn't hype. This is the clear-eyed look investors, farmers, and engineers need right now. Traditional farming is horizontal. Vertical farming is, well, vertical. Crops grow in stacked layers indoors under precise LED lighting. Roots sit in water, hydroponics, get misted with nutrients, aeroponics, or grow in a solid medium. Everything, light, temperature, humidity, CO2, nutrients, is controlled by computers and sensors. No seasons, no pests, no soil degradation. Produce can be harvested 365 days a year, often just a few kilometers from the supermarket. Key players you've probably heard of, Aero Farms Plenty, Spread in Japan, and new large facilities in Singapore and the Gulf states. After a wave of high-profile bankruptcies in 2023 to 2025, the industry is now focusing on profitability instead of pure scale. Let's break down the actual systems that make this possible, the parts that machinery fans, engineers, and investors care about most. 1. Lighting systems, the biggest energy hog. LED grow lights tuned to specific light spectra, lots of red and blue. Modern systems use dynamic lighting that changes intensity and spectrum as plants grow. Lighting alone can account for 50 to 80% of energy use. Efficiency gains here are everything. 2. Growing systems, hydroponics. Roots in nutrient-rich water. Most common. Aeroponics. Roots suspended and misted. Uses even less water and delivers higher oxygenation. Aquaponics hybrids in some setups. These closed-loop systems recycle water so aggressively that many farms use 90 to 95% less water than open-field farming. 3. Climate and environmental control, HVAC, dehumidifiers, CO2 injection, and precise airflow. AI systems constantly adjust conditions so every plant experiences ideal growing parameters. This is why yields can be extremely consistent. 4. Automation, robotics, and AI. This is where it gets satisfying. Robotic seeders, movers, harvesters, and vision systems that detect the exact moment a leaf is ready. AI optimizes recipes for each crop variety in real time. Labor costs drop dramatically once a facility is mature. 5. Sensors and data platforms. Thousands of sensors feeding data into cloud platforms. Operators can run farms remotely and continuously improve performance. This is pure Industry 4.0 applied to food. Energy is the elephant in the room. Growing under artificial light is expensive. When electricity prices spiked, multiple big names collapsed or restructured. Staple crops like wheat, rice, and soybeans are currently far too energy intensive to grow this way at competitive prices. Most commercial vertical farms still focus on high-value, fast-cycle crops. Leafy greens, herbs, microgreens, and some berries and tomatoes. Capital costs are high. Break-even often takes years, and if the electricity comes from fossil fuels, the carbon footprint can actually be worse than field-grown produce shipped long distances. Vertical farming will not replace traditional agriculture. It is a powerful complementary tool, especially for cities, deserts, and regions with extreme climate stress. So, can vertical farms feed the entire world? Not alone, not in the next decade, but they can dramatically improve food security in dense urban areas, reduce pressure on land and water, cut food miles, and supply ultra-fresh, pesticide-free produce year-round. As renewable energy gets cheaper, LED efficiency improves and automation matures. The economics keep getting better. Countries with almost no arable land, Singapore, Gulf states, parts of Japan, are already treating vertical farming as strategic infrastructure. The future isn't vertical farms versus traditional farms. It's via hybrid system, outdoor farming for calories and bulk staples, vertical and greenhouse systems for high-value, climate-resilient, local production. That's how we actually move toward feeding 10 billion people more sustainably. If this opened your eyes, or if you're a farmer, engineer, investor, or just someone who loves watching technology reinvent one of humanity's oldest industries, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're going deeper into the machines, the money, and the real projects shaping the future of food. Drop a comment. Do you think vertical farming is overhyped, underhyped, or just right? And if you want more deep dive scripts like this on sustainable tech and future agriculture, let me know what topic I should tackle next. Thanks for watching. Now go grow something, even if it's just your curiosity.